Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. This is a new channel that I've started. I am Mr. Fringe 19, and if you guys don't know about me, I am a gamer. I do entertainment gaming on my main channel. But the reason I'm starting this particular channel is because I love gadgets, I love technology, and I have a bunch of gadgets for myself. And I thought a better way of showing people what essential gadgets they might need, they might already have, how it can be used, all that stuff. Basically, I am Fringe. I am going to be talking about tech. That is the reason why I chose the channel name as Fringe Talks Tech. We're going to be talking, chill talking, guys. It's not going to be much a deep dive and all that stuff. I've already recorded the first videos. Hope you guys enjoy all the videos on the channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and please give this channel a chance. I'm pretty sure you guys will find some product that is going to be so helpful for you guys that you will be really happy with this channel. The main notion for this channel, like I said, is going to be essential tech. It's not going to be high-end tech, crazy stuff. It's not going to be useless stuff. It's going to be essential stuff that you might use day-to-day life. You might want to use it occasionally, but also it feels like very important that you need to have it, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the channel. I'll see you guys in the videos.